day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will still be focusing on our angle theorem series, but today our main focus will be on the exterior angle theorem. This theorem states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. What does that mean now? This is a triangle, as you can see. It means that the exterior angle here, D, the angle there, D, is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles, which is what? Angle A plus angle B. You might be wondering, how is this possible? Don't forget that C and D, there is an angle on a straight line there. It therefore means that if C has taken a part from 180 degrees, the remaining one is for D. That means, alternatively, it means that the D now will be equal to the sum of A and B. Now, in this case now, the two interior opposite angles is also equal to angle D. Alright, now let's go to our example. Now look at this now. In this case now, we are being asked to find W and also find Z. Now, how would this be possible? To find W, we are going to use the exterior angle theorem, which says that the exterior angle, which is W, is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So, which is equal to 50 degrees plus 20 degrees. Therefore, W is 70 degrees. Now, how do I get Z now? We have W, angle W plus Z equals to 180 degrees. That is angle on a straight line, because W plus Z gives us 180 degrees. Now in this case now, W is 70, so 70 plus Z equals to 180 degrees. So Z equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So Z now will give us 180 minus 70 degrees, 110 degrees. Alright, we've come to the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Thank you.